What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Y'all already know y'all in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another, delicious and easy recipe. We love to keep it simple over here. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make honey buttered corn. Now guys, this is a delicious recipe. It is very simple, doesn't take many ingredients, very, very short. But man, when you put this on the table, it's gonna be forks and spoons everywhere, trust me. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe, guys. Not many ingredients, but this particular style or version of corn is so good, you're gonna want this in your playbook for your next family gathering. Guys, Thanksgiving is coming up, so you definitely want this in your playbook. So let me tell you what we have. We have some butter. We're gonna use honey, salt, pepper, corn, and this is the frozen corn, so no need to go and buy no corn on the cob and shucking the corn. You're good right here. Smoked paprika and some cream cheese. That's all you need, guys. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the ingredients have been measured out. Let me tell you what we have right here. So I have 16 ounces of frozen corn. I have a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 3 tablespoons of butter. I have 2 ounces of that cream cheese. I cut them up in chunks, and 3 tablespoons of honey. So guys, like I say, not many ingredients. This is gonna go by pretty quick, but you're gonna love the outcome. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take our butter. Remember, we got 3 tablespoons, and we're going to start melting our butter along with our honey. And we're gonna do this over a medium-high heat. And guys, I'm using my Skillet pan. If you wanna check out their product, check the video description. I'm gonna leave a link to it. I love these pans, guys, so make sure you check it out if you're interested in a good set of pans. Now, once the butter is melted, what we wanna do is we wanna start adding our frozen corn. And we're gonna get this mixed in here, and we're gonna cook this on medium-high heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. And guys, you wanna constantly stir this throughout these 5 to 8 minutes. All right, so it looks like we're there. We're about 7 minutes in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding our dry ingredients first. We're gonna go with our salt, gonna hit it with some of that pepper, and we're gonna come back with some of that smoked paprika. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it mixed up real quick. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding our cream cheese. We'll start dropping that in there. This is why you wanna put it up in chunks, guys. You don't want it all in one spot. And just kind of spread it out over your corn. And we're gonna cook this for another 5 minutes, getting that cream cheese melted and mixed in, stirring occasionally during those 5 to 7 minutes. You kind of wanna reduce your heat down just a little bit. You don't wanna have it too high because your corn is already cooked thoroughly, so you just want to kind of just get this all mixed in now. All right, guys, it looks like we're there, so I'm going to kill the heat, turn that off. Guys, take a look at what we have right here. See, guys, this is so simple, so easy. Wow. All right, so let me go ahead and put this into a bowl, and I'll be right back. And there you have it, honey butter skillet corn. As I mentioned before, guys, this is an easy recipe. Let me let you bring it up a little bit closer so you guys can see. Man, look at that. Man, that looks good. That looks so good. Very easy recipe, guys. Not many ingredients. You can make this real quick. Man, I tell you, you take this to your next, matter of fact, like I say, take this to your next family gathering and people are going to love it. Trust me. So the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below. So guys, check it out. Also join the All Wings Everything membership. Check out my merch. Check out the ebook, guys. It's all in the video description below. So let's go ahead and get into quality control so we can test this corn out. All right, let's go. All right, so now we're here for quality control. We're gonna test this corn out to see what it's talking about. Guys, take another look at this corn, man. Oh man, look at that butter just dripping all off this thing. All right, and I like corn too. You know, one thing about corn, you can make it in so many different ways. And this way is one of my favorite. God, oh my goodness. Honey and butter is one of those two ingredients that whenever you put them together, it always maximizes the flavor of whatever you put it on. And this is no different. Next time you go to a family gathering, make this corn. Take it over there, sit it on the table, and just watch how people just dig into it. So guys, the measurements, everything's in the video description below. Check it out. Also, pick up that ebook. I appreciate all the support. Join the channel membership. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All wings, everything. And guys, go and follow me on IG. I put different content over there. Go follow me on IG, and I am out. Peace.